Introducing Velociteach's all-in-one PMP exam prep kit, fully updated to prepare you for the 6th edition PMP exam. Let's take a look and see all the resources inside. On top of the laminated plastic on the textbook, you'll see 2 key cards. These are important, so do not throw them away. The cards provide access to both the flashcard mobile app and the downloadable conversation MP3s. While listening to the audio conversations, you'll hear from Velociteach's subject matter experts as they walk you through the ins and outs of the PMP exam. Next, we have Velociteach's flashcard app. These 425 cards help you learn your knowledge areas quickly and effectively. Available to use on your Apple or Android device, this app is great for studying on the go. Inside the packaging, you'll find the exam prep textbook, The PMP Exam: How to Pass on Your First Try by Andy Crow. The textbook will be your best friend when you are studying. It covers all the processes, inputs, tools, and outputs that will be tested on the exam, as well as insider secrets, test tricks, and tips. The book contains over 400 practice exam questions and links to over 60 short videos where Andy explains concepts in more depth. Behind the book is our quick reference guide. Designed to go along with the textbook, this guide provides an overview of the key information to remember for the exam. Now let's take a moment to discover the last part of the kit, which gives you access to online learning via Velociteach's online learning platform, Insight. The textbook in the kit provides you with a 1-week trial version of our self-paced Pass the PMP e-learning course, containing 6 hours of content and 100 practice questions. Are you attending one of Velociteach's instructor-led PMP boot camps? Then included in your course materials, you will receive 6 months of access to the full Pass the PMP course, containing 35 hours of content and over 500 practice exam questions. Additionally, you'll receive 3 unique 200-question online mock exams, practice tests A, B, and C. Good luck and enjoy studying!